Good afternoon, Ma'am Elizabeth.
Yes, good
Welcome to the
afternoon.
30th Street.
Yeah.
How are you today, Ma'am?
I'm fine. I'm happy that I have seen him. And he's okay, but he's so thin. Skin and bones. Hindi tulad dito sa picture na ito. She's really that, you know. And I asked him when he want to eat the food. Sabi niya, ayaw daw ng food. Ayaw na. And pabalik-balik daw.
Hindi ba siya nilulutuan ng mga Filipino food?
No. No.
So whatever lang.
Yeah, then at least he said that he is no longer taking any meds. At least okay yan, no? He's healthy. Parang tingin ko ha, he's healthy, but as an old man,
You never know.
yeah, tulad mahina na maglakad, you know, yan na.
But how is he with the weather, Ma'am, lately? Kasi sobrang init ng weather lately.
I told him, sabi ko, malamig. Sabi niya, may init naman. Sabi ko, malamig pa rin para sa akin. Sabi niya, sabi niya, kasi matanda ka na. Yun ang sabi.
Pero mag-exercise naman si President.
Hindi ko rin. Gusto lang niya mag-sleep. Gusto lang niya manood ng TV. Yan, after daw the TV, sleep na naman daw siya. Yun lang. Yun ang kanya.
At saka nagbabasa naman siya ng libro, Ma'am.
Yeah. Nabasa din. Pero not so much. Gusto niya yung TV. Tapos he was asking about how is Davao, ganon. Okay ba daw si Basti sa kanyang kwan because he is the mas acting mayor. Diba? So, sabi ko, okay naman. There's no problem. Sabi ko, then your grandson is also the vice mayor. Sabi ko, then the other one is the congressman, the second district. And he also asked me, did the Hugpong daw won? Sabi ko, yes. Most of them are from Hugpong. Sabi ko, ganun. Yeah, that's it.
Ma'am, meron bang message si PRRD para sa mga kababayan natin?
Yes. He said, you go home. You go home. Thank you for your support. Ako rin, nagpapasalamat din sa inyo for your support. I am here also for my support. Sabi niya, mahal ang pasahe. Umuwi ka na. Sabi ko, we will be here for as long as we are needed here. Sabi ko ganun sa kanya. Sabi niya. But, yeah. Sabi niya, you go home and thank you for your support. Yun ang sabi niya. Tapos, yun lang. Sabi niya, I am okay. Sabi niya, you tell them I am okay.